Hello, I'm Scott, and this is PLUGHITZ Live Unboxed. Today, we're going to take a look at two different products because they are a pair. First, we're going to look at the Lumia 650 by Microsoft, and we're going to look at the ScreenBeam Mini2, which is a continuum dock, a wireless continuum dock for the Lumia. Let's go ahead and start with the phone itself and see what all it comes with. Most phones are pretty predictable at this point as to what they come with. Let's see if this one fits that pattern. Obviously, we will start here with the phone itself, the easy to predict device in the box. Underneath our packaging here, we have a battery, because most, if not all, of the 600 series Lumias have had a removable battery, which is a feature that we really appreciate here at PLUGHITZ Live for those of us who travel a lot. Being able to put a second battery on an external charger and swap them out midday at CES or something like that is really wonderful. Here we have our book, and we have our traditional Lumia charger. It's the same charger that has been coming with Lumias since the Nokia days. It hasn't really changed all that much. And that, my friends, is what comes with the phone. It's about what we expect from a phone these days. The battery is usually in the phone, but, you know, phone, battery, charger, and book are usually what we expect to find. Let's go ahead, though, and clear some of this out. And let's take a look at our Continuum dock. One of the coolest things about Windows 10 is its ability to customize itself to the screen that it's attached to. So, you know, if you've got a Surface, when it's in tablet mode, it goes into one mode, and as soon as you connect a keyboard or something like that, it switches back into normal desktop mode. The mobile version works the exact same way, and with a dock like this, you're able to use it like a computer. So let's see what this dock comes with. We have a quick start guide, which is good for anybody who has not yet used one of these. Getting an idea of how to hook them up is obviously a nice thing. Here we have the quote-unquote dock itself, which just has an HDMI on one side, and it has a micro USB here on the side for power, and then it has a reset button, and that is all there is to the device itself. Obviously, there's a power, which means there will be power in our box here somewhere. There are actually a lot more pieces in here than I was expecting. Here is a USB to micro and a female. A little curious as to how this cable is configured, so let's open it up and find out. All right, so on one side, we have a traditional male USB. On the other, we have a female and a micro USB, so that you can power the device and have additional power available to you at the source, right at the television or screen, which is a really nice capability. Here we have another cable, which is a short HDMI adapter cable, extender cable, I mean. And then, of course, our USB power. So all of these things together make up the next review that we're going to take a look at on the site, because this stuff obviously is designed to go together. We want to see how the Lumia works as a phone, as a computer, and then as a full workstation using Continuum. And this stuff together will allow us to do that. We will publish, obviously, this video on its own. We will do the reviews both separate and together, as they are a paired set of devices. And we'll get those published as soon as possible. And of course, until next time, ciao.